How to sign into YouTube TV on Smart TV. So what you're gonna have to do is simply open the YouTube TV app on your Smart TV, and then on a computer or mobile device you're gonna have to go to tv.youtube.com/start, and then you're gonna have to simply log into your Google account, then enter the activation code displayed on your TV at tv.youtube.com/start. Now note, if you get stuck at this step, your activation code may have expired. Try hitting back and reloading the page to refresh the activation code displayed on your TV. Then enter the new code at tv.youtube.com/start. Then you're gonna have to select the account associated with your YouTube TV base plan and then click allow. And now you can start watching on your TV. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.